Let's look at this question. How many moles are in 5.44 grams of sodium chloride? So we want the formula of sodium chloride, which is NaCl. Now we want the formula mass of sodium chloride, which we get from the periodic table. So we go to the periodic table, look for the relative atomic mass of sodium and chlorine. For chlorine is 35.5, for sodium is 23. So we say relative mass of sodium chloride is equal to 35.5 chlorine plus 23, which will give us 58.5. Now we know the number of moles is equal to the given mass over the relative mass, whether it is atomic mass, molecular mass, or relative mass for ionic compounds. This will give us 5.44, which is this mass, over the relative mass, which is 58.5, which is 0.093, 3 decimal places, 0.093, and it's moles. Now we move to the next question. Let's look at this one. 0.953 grams of magnesium reacts fully with chlorine according to the following equation. What mass of magnesium chloride would be formed? For this one now, the formula gives us the ratio of moles. So if we have 1 mole of magnesium plus 1 mole of chlorine gas, which is Cl2, it will give us 1 mole of magnesium chloride. Okay. Another example we can have is if we have an equation like, so we are saying 2 moles of sodium plus 1 mole, because if we don't write anything here, it means it's 1. 1 mole of chlorine to give us 2 moles of sodium chloride. So the number we are looking for is this number outside here, is the ratio of moles. In other words, we are saying 1 atom of magnesium plus 1 molecule of chlorine should give us 1 magnesium chloride molecule. So moles are multiples of molecules. If we have 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 atoms or molecules, then we have a mole. So the formula gives us the ratio of moles, but here we are given grams of magnesium. We have to convert these grams into moles so that we can compare. So we want ratio of magnesium to the ratio of magnesium chloride. So for magnesium, we have 1 mole, will give us 1 mole of magnesium chloride. Okay, so first, if we are given 0.953 grams, we have to convert this to moles so that we can compare moles to moles. We can't compare mass to mass. We have to compare moles to moles because the formula compares moles and not masses. Again, we use the formula N is equal to M over, for atoms, it's relative atomic mass. Number of moles is equal to mass over a relative atomic mass, which is our given mass is 0.953. The relative atomic mass of magnesium, we find it on the periodic table, is 24, given here. So we put over 24, which is 0.039 or 0.040, which is 0.040 moles to 3 decimal places, 0.040 moles. So the same amount of moles of magnesium is equal to the same amount of moles of magnesium chloride. Since it's 1 mole is to 1 mole. 0.04 moles will also give 0.04 moles. 0.04 moles of magnesium will give 0.04 moles of magnesium chloride. Now the task is to convert this to grams. We know number of moles is equal to mass over relative molecular mass, or relative mass for a compound. Now we can say, arrange this equation by multiplying both sides by big M. Then we say mass is equal to number of moles times relative molecular mass, which is number of moles 0.04 times what is the relative molecular mass of magnesium chloride. Remember, this is MgCl2. So we go to the periodic table. Magnesium is 24 plus chlorine is 35.5. But there are two chlorines here because there is this 2 there. So it's 35.5 times 2. So this is our previous answer. This is 0.04 rounded off. But so we'll just multiply by 24 plus 35.5 times 2, which is 3.77 grams. And that is our answer. Thank you.